It's another day working on the BMW M4. Last thing you saw, last video, was this gigantic wing from Beamer World. It's their GT swan neck wing. Looks quite insane. There's only a few mods left that we're gonna do on this car before we go ahead and decide to cut off the fenders for the wide body, as you guys are aware of. They both take place on the front end. One is a GTS styled hood, and then the Bay Optic custom headlights. Today we're gonna go ahead and tackle the hood. It's gonna be matte black, and I think it would be a good suit with the wing. Here's the hood in the parts room, and it's aluminum. So it's not carbon fiber, so don't have to worry about warping or having weird body lines. It looks really sharp. This was like $1,000 or $1,200. We bought it like 8 or 9 months ago. We've had it for a while. With that, you have the OEM vent that I purchased and then decided to not use it because I found this guy in Germany that makes this carbon scoop all by hand at his house, and it's incredible looking. It's probably my nicest carbon fiber piece I have. Look at that weave. This is not going to be installed in the car until after it's painted though, so we'll either leave the hole or put the OEM one on. So to install a hood on the F82, it looks like it's just a nut on both sides. You have some quick disconnect. On mine, I'm not going to transfer the washer fluid or the washer spray because we're wide-bodying the car. Your actual reservoir for the washer fluid is right here in the fender, and when you have wide wheels and you turn, it turns into it. So we're gonna completely delete that system. And then up here, you have some tabs that you pull off, take the hinge off, as Alex is showing you. Very simple. So let's go ahead and just take it off, and then we'll get the new hood in here, put it on, and then we'll work on those. Okay. I wonder how much lighter the real GTS hood is. Probably like 4 pounds. Can't do much. That weighs nothing. Factory hood, that's this one really light. So I can only imagine how much lighter the other one would be. Yeah, I don't probably actually get this one in. I mean, you know, it was designed for racing, so they probably had that in mind with the bigger truck track. Look at that, bro. Dude, dude, that looks so sick. Okay, so I've seen these aluminum hoods in person, and they have big gaps. For some reason, a lot of the GTS style hoods, they leave a big side gap. This one's not all that bad. I did push down on it a little bit. You can't lower the hood. That's the dent that I'm gonna get fixed. Dude, look at this hole. It is so sick. And then this side gap, again, it's still there. We'll work on it a little bit, but that is a huge improvement.